So my favorite Christmas movie is Christmas Vacation. I usually watch it between Thanksgiving and Christmas 15 to 18 times. I like the one where Clark tells Eddie, hey, could I refill your eggnog, get you something to eat, drive you out to the middle of nowhere and leave you for dead?
Can I refill your eggnog for you, get you something to eat, drive you out to the middle of nowhere, leave you for dead?
I loved my mother's, and I still do love them, but I have to make them now, molasses cookies with lots of frosting and sprinkles. The most special one was giving my boys a 2-seater go-kart one Christmas. I hid it at the neighbor's house, and to see their eyes light up when we took off the blanket was awesome.